Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best C-shaped tables that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. BarleyHome HeightAdjustable Snack Side Table. The next C-shaped table is a unique table with amazing features. The BarleyHome End Table is a durable sofa over the bed or under the sofa table with adjustable height. The adjustable height makes it easy to customize and suit the needs of different occasions. It's easy to put it under the sofa or bed and get a comfortable posture. Its tabletop offers spacious room to hold a couple of items at a go. The table features a thickened metal which gives it a heavy-duty and stable construction. On top of that, it uses an environmental MDF board with a high weight capacity, thus keeping the stabilization. It's quite easy to move this table thanks to its 4 smooth lockable and movable wheels. The fact that the wheels are made of plastic makes them less durable, but they are readily available and quite cheap. At number 4. Tangkula Sofa Side NC Table. The high-quality Tangkula Sofa Side NC table takes the next position. It's quite similar to the one above. The table also features high-quality materials from the high-density chipboard to the sturdy steel frame. The construction makes it a 55 pounds load capacity and a cantilevered design. Apart from being robust, this table is also stylish, making it suitable for any decor and a perfect combination with other home furniture. Its compact size, lightweight and space-saving design allows it to be functional for different uses and usable in a small area or apartment. It comes with 4 plastic but durable caster wheels, which makes it easy to slide the table wherever needed. Its lower and side steel meshes provide extra storage space for books, magazines, and more. At number 3. Zinus Modern Studio Collection Table. The Zinus Modern Studio Collection Table is a side, sofa, snack C-shaped table with superior strength. The table combines function and style in one durable unit. It can function as an end or a side table in any room of your house. It's ideal for snacks, coffee, book, magazine, and remote. Its robust and square steel tubing and the high-density panel with a wood grain finish adds an elegant touch to any interior decor. Apart from having limited storage and no wheels, this table is quite significant for any small room or apartment. It conveniently slides up close to the sofa or chair with its bottom fitting under the furniture comfortably. On top of this superior construction, this table is quite easy to assemble. It comes with all the accessories needed for the job. At number 2. FIVEGIVEN C-shaped table tall. Here is another uniquely designed C-shaped table that will allow you to enjoy your relaxing time at home with snacks and drinks near you. The FIVEGIVEN under the sofa side table will amaze you. It's a sturdy table ideal for sofa and couch clearance higher than 1.34 inches and the couch arm height lower than 25.4 inches. It can also be smoothly used as a temporary work table for a new email reply or even a handy tray table when hungry during the live games. Besides having no sliding wheels and extra shelves, this table presents the best side C table can have. Its big top board can fit a 10-inch dinner plate or a 13.3-inch laptop comfortably. Unlike the other reviewed table, this one features 4 support poles which make even more stable and sturdier. As a simple accent piece, the table is also ideal for use as a lamp table or decorative displaying table, thus adding some rustic industrial elements to the living space. And finally at number 1. MICOE Height Adjustable Console Table. In the second place is the High Adjustable MICOE Sofa Side Slide C Table. It's a durable and well-constructed C-shaped table with multiple uses. The table slides under the low-clearance sofa or couch to place your iPad, cups, remotes, and much more. You can also use to read books, enjoy food and dessert, or have coffee while sitting. On top of that, you can also use this table as an end table, bedside table, computer desk, storage rack, or even as a standalone. One of the things that makes this table outstanding the super strong construction, which feature a robust and durable steel frame, steel bottom and side racks, and a hardwood top. The framing is well reinforced to ensure it stays intact without any shakes. In addition to that, the table also has 4 casters, which makes it super easy to move the table wherever needed. The wheels are removable in case it doesn't fit under the sofa. The installation requires you to be a little keen as it can be quite challenging. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.